guys, so it's spring and everything outside is beautiful, so let's make a beautiful cake. It's a cute flower cake, so let's get started. This cake is gluten-free, vegan, no gluten, no dairy, no milk, no eggs, no wheat flour, no all-purpose flour, none of that. Okay, so we have our pink vanilla frosting here, right here. I'm gonna add that. On top of that, I'm gonna be adding our, so the customer wants a chocolate cake with vanilla frosting. So there we go. This is our gluten-free chocolate cake. It's hard because it's frozen, guys. Please, come on. Vanilla inside. Make the border, fill it in. Next one. Put the next cake on it. Make the border, fill it in. Last one, put this on top. Okay, so that's the height of the cake. Don't worry about it. Work fast. The entire thing outside is going to be covered in pink. So let's get started. So the inside cake is chocolate, outside is vanilla, so we have to make sure there's no crumbs in it, so we have to work faster. Do the sides first and then you do the top. If you have put proper amount of buttercream on the side, it should not take too long. Okay. So take it round in one smooth go. That's it. Okay, so let's get started. Now we are making the cute flowers. First of all, I'm gonna cover this chocolate mass that I see. So I just push and drag, push and drag. 4, 5. Don't worry about the center. Okay, then you start on your push, drag. One, I'm gonna do it here. Push and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, small one here. Okay, that's step number 1. Now the next step. So the next thing, I take some yellow color in a big piping tip. I don't know what size this is. This is size 10 Wilton tip. Then you just go bloop. Hello. Okay, so the front one, you just the flowers might not be perfect. You can try, but don't be too self-critical. Just have fun with it, okay? It's a fun cake. And then we write a message on it. Perfect. You take this.